Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Netflix account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account security and maintain uninterrupted access to your streaming content. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Netflix website. Sign in using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account section, scroll down to the Settings area where you'll find security and verification options. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Verify Email or Phone Number. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 5. Netflix will send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for this code. Step 6. Enter the verification code in the designated field on the Netflix verification page. Make sure to input the code exactly as received. Step 7. Click the Verify or Confirm button to complete the verification process. Your account will now be verified and secured. Step 8. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Netflix account has been successfully verified. Keep this confirmation for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.